UptimeRobot is a tool you may have seen pop up when researching uptime monitoring software. But before you commit, here are 7 things you absolutely need to know. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether UptimeRobot is the right choice for your business, and I'll show you how to get a great deal if you decide to give it a shot. Now, you can try UptimeRobot completely free with no commitment, and I'll drop the link for that below, so make sure to check it out after this video. Let's dive in, starting with one of the key factors that sets UptimeRobot apart: its ease of use. Unlike some of its competitors like Pingdom or StatusCake, UptimeRobot has one of the most user-friendly interfaces in the market. You don't need to be a tech expert to get your first monitor up and running. The platform is simple, clean, and lets you start tracking your website uptime in minutes. Even if you're new to uptime monitoring, you'll find it easy to navigate. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. UptimeRobot offers a free plan that lets you monitor up to 50 websites with 5-minute checks, which is solid for smaller sites or personal projects. Compared to tools like Pingdom, which charges monthly even for basic functionality, UptimeRobot's free tier is a massive win for anyone looking to save. And if you need more advanced features or faster check intervals, their paid plans are very reasonably priced, especially when you compare it to some of the bigger competitors. The third thing you need to know about UptimeRobot is its monitoring capabilities. UptimeRobot supports HTTPs, ping, port, and even keyword monitoring, meaning it can track more than just whether your site is live. This versatility makes it great if you're running something more complex, like a web app or an API. With competitors like Site 24x7, you're paying more for some of these advanced features, but UptimeRobot includes them in its packages without inflating the price. The fourth thing you should keep in mind is its alert system. UptimeRobot has an extensive array of notification options when your site goes down. You can set up email alerts, SMS notifications, and even integrate with apps like Slack or Microsoft Teams. This multi-channel approach ensures that you're never out of the loop. If you've used alternatives like Pingdom, you'll appreciate the flexibility here. UptimeRobot lets you set up multiple alert conditions to suit your needs. The fifth thing is the reliability of the service itself. UptimeRobot is known for its consistent and accurate monitoring, boasting a high uptime rate across its platform. In fact, the service claims a 99.9% uptime guarantee, which is on par with premium options from competitors. Whether you're managing a personal website or a full-scale business, knowing your uptime data is accurate and trustworthy is critical. The sixth thing to consider is UptimeRobot's API, which is powerful and well documented. For users who need to integrate uptime monitoring directly into their apps or dashboards, UptimeRobot provides a robust API that's easy to set up and use. While other services like StatusCake and Pingdom offer APIs, UptimeRobot's is straightforward, saving you time if you're looking to automate reports or integrate uptime data into your systems. Finally, let's talk about customer support. UptimeRobot offers a solid support system, including detailed documentation, email support, and a community forum. While competitors like Pingdom offer more premium support for higher tier plans, UptimeRobot does a great job of balancing quality and accessibility, especially for users who don't want to pay for pricey customer support options. If you're looking for uptime monitoring software that delivers on functionality, pricing, and ease of use, UptimeRobot is definitely worth considering. Plus, you can try it for free through the link in the description below, which also gives you access to exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. To recap, UptimeRobot offers simplicity, affordability, versatility, reliability, and strong customer support, making it one of the best options for small to medium businesses. If you're serious about uptime monitoring, I highly recommend giving UptimeRobot a go. Click that first link below to get the best free trial available and start monitoring your website today.